After witnessing the making of the most unique mozzarella in Italy, we continue our journey to explore more of what this region has to offer. So, in this second day in Salerno, we are lucky enough to enjoy some of the most delicious home-cooked food and experience incredibly warm hospitality from locals.
Buongiorno, this is day 2 in Salerno. Beautiful weather. Today we're going to a local gem, a local restaurant to have a seafood feast where the chef is a 78-year-old lady and she's still rocking in the kitchen, and I'm very curious what she will cook for us today. Andiamo!
Queste sono fatte al forno con pomodorino, broccoli, insalata, peperoni ripini, parmigiana.
Everything homemade.
Everything is homemade.
For lunch we came to very beautiful restaurant, I would say. Seafood place where they serve only what they catch in the morning. And take a look at the details, the table, everything is made by hand, by local artisans. Really love it. They serve everything from the region, from the city. So, in terms of food, serious stuff. These are anchovies stuffed with provola cheese and mortadella. Mortadella is a pork salumi. Then we have bruschette with the moscardini veraci cooked in tomato sauce. Oh my god, this looks like a bomb. Then, just simple bruschette. These are from the house. They've been very nice with extra virgin olive oil from Salerno. I want to start with the anchovies. Just a bit of lemon on it. Let's try it out. Look. Oh wow. You got the cheese, the mortadella, the anchovies, a touch of fishiness. Glad we had it. Grazie mille. Queste sono buonissime, eh? Mamma mia. Another recommendation from the owner. This is called minestrone with local veggies and seafood. Can't wait to have it. Entree number 2, explosive bruschetta. Oh wow. Oh, it's a bomb. All right. No, I can eat this. Buon appetito. Oh wow. The moscardini. Incredibly fresh. I think it's been cooked for a few hours because they completely dissolve in your mouth. A touch of wine, tomato sauce, parsley. You get the oceany flavor. Now we're talking. It's completely dissolved. They're not chewy at all. Now it's time for the minestrone. Nice, served with some crouton. Nice seafood. Buon appetito. This is a perfect dish for winter. Actually nice, the contrast between fresh veggies, potato, silver beets, crouton and seafood. If you are soup lovers, you'll definitely gonna love this one.
Il consiglio che ti do, questo se ti piace l'olio a crudo,
Ok.
un filo di olio a crudo
Sì.
sulla pasta, va buono?
Oh, la pasta sembra...
Ma non è che sembra solo, vedete il cucchiaio.
Ok, grazie mille. What is suggested is to put a bit of olive oil on top. So this pasta, it's called paccheri. That's their specialty. Ring-shaped pasta, so with onion, octopus, cooked for 5 hours in wine, finished with stracciatella and pistachio on top. Nice. Oh wow. Even the color looks really good. Oh, octopus, stracciatella and everything. Buon appetito. The pasta cooked perfectly, al dente, soaks up completely all the juice from the octopus. The stracciatella gives a nice creaminess and acidity. The combination is top notch. This is really illegal.
The big boss is coming. Ok, cheese, ma vabbè, lui parla.
Sì, siamo presentati prima. Siamo presentati. Manador.
Mamma sua, la mamma di Enrico, solo la mamma io.
Sì, I'm everyone's mom. we had a wonderful experience. Coming to this place wasn't just trying the food, eating and reviewing. It was more of an experience. Check this place out because you will have the time of your life.
I can't let you go, baby.
Now we're going to an historical coffee shop and gelateria to have an explosive dessert. Are you ready? Of course you are. Andiamo. Oh, is this some? Quella grande con 2 gusti e panna. Poi ce lo mangiamo. Gigante! Oh. Oh, guarda. I have in front of me, oh my god, the huge Salerno bomb. This is a brioche, homemade sweet brioche, stuffed with gelato, homemade gelato artisanal, and whipped cream. All right, I don't even know where to buy. I guess I just need to go for it. Oh mamma mia, an explosion of flavors. Got pistachio, white chocolate, hazelnut, salted caramel, whipped cream. I love the brioche, it's so soft and fresh. No matter the weather, gelato is always good. I don't care whether it's raining, it's snowing, I want ice cream. What makes the difference is the freshness, softness of the brioche. Wow. Grazie. Grazie.
Molte grazie.
For breakfast, I'm with my friend Michele. Hello. Very good friend Michele. Already laughing. We came to a very popular pasticceria here in Salerno. Take a look at what we have in. All traditional desserts. This is frolla, typical from Naples, stuffed with semolina, ricotta and candied fruits. Then we have...
This is a donut, like a zeppola, fried donut with sugar on top.
Then we have sfogliatella Santa Rosa, stuffed completely with cream. And these are sour cherries. Maybe.
Yes, they are.
And then delizia al limone, spongy cake stuffed with lemon cream and limoncello. This is the land of lemon.
Yes, it is.
Should we start?
I think so. Yeah, because otherwise we cannot just look at them, right?
Right. Number 1 has to be sfogliatella Santa Rosa.
Yes.
Mamma mia, look at the cream. Buon appetito.
Go for it. Buon appetito.
Oh.
It's crunchy, eh?
Super crunchy and crispy.
Yes, it's crispy, it's crunchy, and then the lines are so thin that when you put it in your mouth, they get melted.
The filling is very elegant.
Yes.
It's not too sweet. Oh, it's really nice.
You know why people can't say no to this.
This sweet, I was really looking forward to trying the delizia al limone. It's completely covered in lemon cream.
Soft and fluffy, eh?
Yeah. The spongy cake is very soft,
Yes.
easy to digest. The lemon cream, very elegant and delicate.
It's delicious.
To end this dessert marathon,
Yes.
we have
Yes.
in the zeppola. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Oh, this is a classic, I think.
So simple that it's impossible to don't like it.
Ah, mamma mia. The first sip of coffee of the day, unbeatable.
It is.
What are we going to do next?
We're going to see something very traditional made by my mom. So we're gonna go to my house and have a traditional and family lunch
Oh,
all together.
we are super excited.
I am too. You can, my mom is shaking.
Should we go?
Let's go.
Andiamo.
Andiamo dai.
Oh, by the way, these are the pasticcini. And I also wanted to say, I mean, how kind of them. They offered us everything because they were so happy that we were interested in their shop. And the pasticcere, the master, welcomed us. We had a chat. It's really, really cool experience. Thanks a lot for bringing us here.
Oh, that's cool. No problem.
We really had a great
I
time.
was happy to come with you too. So
All right, shall we go?
yeah, let's go.
Andiamo, andiamo. My friend Michele is taking us around the old town of Salerno to explore a little bit of the city. And now we came to the Duomo, to the local cathedral, which is very beautiful.
It is.
So now we get into the church, right?
Yeah.
Andiamo.
You want it? Let's go. Andiamo. Ti posso anche dire di come si chiama e tutto dopo se vuoi.
Grazie mille.
Grazie a te.
Grazie mille, tanti auguri. Ciao. Mamma mia, that was so nice. I've never seen anything like
That's
that.
nice. That's nice.
So you were saying, what's the name of it?
So basically, there's the famous cornamusa, which is a musically instrumental from Scotland, and but we call it here in our dialect way, which is zampogna. During the Christmas period, they go all around. They will just start to play music, and you have to give like
An offer.
an offer,
Yeah,
something
yeah, yeah.
small, because they go all around. That's very traditional.
I really like the sound of it.
It's
by the
nice.
way.
It's interesting for a couple of minutes. After it becomes a little bit too much, but it's nice. It's nice.
Oh,
It
by the
is.
way, thanks a lot for taking us around Centro
that's fine.
Storico.
That's fine.
And now we go
Let's
to
go.
Mamma Irene.
Mamma Irene, let's go. She's
Andiamo.
waiting for us. Andiamo, dai.
We have arrived in front of Miki and Mamma Irene's house. Let's go.
You wanna know? You wanna have this pleasure? Go for it.
Hello. Oh. Ciao. Questi sono per lei.
Oh, grazie, ma non ti dovevi disturbare. dai.
Always come to an Italian house on full hands with something.
Grazie.
Prego. Andiamo, andiamo.
Andiamo
Eh.
in cucina.
Today she will cook an amazing food for us. So andiamo, I'm very curious. Right, let's start making the first dish.
Mollica di pane tritata.
Sì.
Si aggiunge il prezzemolo.
Garlic is just so important in our cuisine. Like every single dish has garlic. Vai.
Di olio.
Okay. And that's the base. Anchovies without bone, super fresh. We're making the base of the tortino, one of the classic dishes of the area. L'odore dell'aceto è buonissimo, eh? We're going to cook it at 180 degrees. We put it at the bottom tray to cook the base well. And then as soon as the base is pretty well cooked, we're going to move it at the top. Alright, siamo pronti?
Siamo pronti?
Andiamo.
Andiamo. Speriamo bene.
Now we're going to make moscardini alla Luciana. A lot of extra virgin olive oil, moscardini, which are these beauties. Very similar to octopus. It's time for moscardini. Oh!
Mettere il coperto.
Oppala.
Aspettare.
Oh, that's the sound we love. Mamma mia.
Fino a me mi facciano mangiata di pesce. Che poi non me ne fa mangiare.
Mama Irene really loves cooking fish, but she sometimes needs to cook it for herself because Michele is not a huge fish fan and he's helping us with the light. So we hired him to walk. Get a close up of my job.
Max, bravo, così.
See, oh, she's giving me instructions.
Ok, adesso li facciamo andare da soli una
Ok.
decina di minuti.
10 minutes.
Coperti.
I always need to follow instructions. Pomodoro. Oh, the smell is incredible, by the way.
Direi gli spaghetti.
Oppala! Done. Oh, l'odore. Oh, we're gonna let it rest for a bit. As a side dish, we're going to make broccoli rape. Now are in season. Very simple. They don't have to be boiled. We just need to throw them on the pan after putting a bit of garlic and olive oil. Yes, super mega fresh seafood. We are mouth watering. I want to show you how thick the sauce is. Oh wow. Mamma mia. Oh, ci stiamo leccando i baffi qua, eh? Mi è mancata tanto questa atmosfera di casa. That's the sugo. Spaghetti. They have to be al dente, super al dente as we like them. Mamma mia, che ben di Dio. Andiamo a mangiare. It's time to start. Proviamo
Speriamo bene.
sicuramente.
L'odore è buono.
Esatto. Mamma, guarda il moscardino. Oh, look at the moscardino. Buon appetito. Oh my god, so juicy. The tomato, a bit spicy. Pasta super al dente. Buonissima, eh? Complimenti. Mani d'oro. Golden hands. Now we having some moscardini on their own. Dip it in the juice. Oh yes. Mamma mia. Veramente buono. Così è buonissimo. Let's not be shy. You see the anchovies and everything. Oh wow. Oh, buono. Senti ancora l'aceto. Red vinegar truly makes a difference. Never tried anything like that before. Prima volta.
Ma non è più facile da fare.
Mamma Irene, grazie mille.
Piacere di avervi conosciuto.
Ci ha trattato come due figli, guarda.
Buona fortuna.
Grazie
tante
mille.
cose e in bocca al lupo per tutto.
Grazie
Ok.
mille. All right, it's been an incredible experience. I'm getting emotional, so it's time to leave.
We're crying, we're already crying.
Yeah.
You can see us the light, but we're crying.
Grazie ancora.
Shelly's crying. Shelly's
Yeah,
crying.
yeah.
Behind the camera, she's crying. You can't see her, but she's crying.
It was such a memorable experience that I will cherish forever. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next Sunday.